Hey guys, what's going on? I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. I'm here to just show you a little one of the things I got as like my little gifts. So I am a huge candle person. I love things that smell good and that fill the room with a nice fragrance, and I think most people that know me know that. So they always end up getting me candles or like Bath and Body Works stuff that smells good, stuff like that. So this is the second candle I got actually. This is Sand and Fog white pumpkin candle. So it's inspired on the California coast and it's made with essential oils. So Sand and Fog, I've actually received several candles of their kind from my sister-in-law, but this is the first time I'm getting white pumpkin. So I like how the top is like a wood and it has thankful etched into it, which I think is really nice. That's actually perfect for like Thanksgiving, and it's nice to just, you know, remind yourself to be thankful for what you have. It's a glass jar. I really like the look of it. I think it's really nice. I'm gonna just turn it around so you guys can see. It's just plain glass jar. I said in one of my other videos too, several times I've like used the candle and then it's like once it's used up, scrape the bottom and then you could put like lights in this and it makes a pretty decoration instead of just like throwing it out. But if you do throw it out, it's glass, so you could recycle it. Just make sure you clean out the candle. So on the bottom here, this says white pumpkin, sand and fog. Warning: to prevent fire, burn candle within sight. Keep out of the reach of children and pets. Never burn a candle on or near anything that can catch fire. Place on temperature safe surface away from other heat sources. Keep wick trimmed to 1/4 inch at all times. Burn 3 to 4 hours at a time and keep wick centered. To avoid glass cracking, do not burn the last 1/4 inch of wax in jar. Container will be hot when candle is lit. Do not leave unattended when lit. So this is net weight 12 ounces, 140.19 grams. The website is sandandfoghome.com. Instagram name is Sand and Fog Candles. Hand poured in Vietnam, and then I guess their distributor is in Seal Beach, California. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay, so this has like a plastic, like a sealant that's on here, but if you want to, you could peel it off, but I think that's what actually keeps it like nice and sealed. So okay, so it's a 2-wick candle. It smells divine. Smelling it right now. It's like I almost smell some like cinnamon to it, and of course like the pumpkin, and it just smells wonderful. Kind of smells like the holidays, like Thanksgiving. It's a really nice scent. I think it's nice that it's made with essential oils too. Essential oils are like a big thing now. My friend just had a baby and she had like essential oils burning in the room while she gave birth. So yeah, they're like a really big thing now. A 2-wick candle. Sand and Fog candles are really nice. They're long lasting and they kind of just fill the room with scent. Right now, as I'm talking to you guys, and it's not even lit, all I smell is like a pumpkin pie with a little cinnamon, and it smells wonderful. So when it's lit, your whole room or house will smell like a dessert. Really wonderful. The way that you put it out, like I like to just blow out the candle, but my husband likes to just put the top on and let it go out that way, which is fine because he doesn't like the way like the burning smell, like when you blow out the candle smells. I like it. I don't mind it. I find that when you put the top on, it like gets like a brown edge around like the candle and kind of makes it look dirty. So I prefer to just like blow the candle out. So it's a really nice, long-lasting scent. Stays nice and sealed with the top. I think that I actually saw this candle, this same exact candle in the store, and it had a pumpkin on it instead of saying thankful. So I think you could like have your choice on what you want the top to say. But it makes a really nice gift, and it's great to like if you're having company for the holidays to just have it burning because it smells so wonderful. Literally smells like a dessert. Like people will come over and probably think that you're baking. And the fact that it's made with essential oils is really nice too. So they have a whole assortment of different scents. I think the white pumpkin is kind of unique. I don't think I've seen that in another brand before. So it's different than your typical like vanilla candle or, you know, whatever, apple candle, whatever you have. This is different. So guys, this was Sand and Fog, inspired on the California coast, white pumpkin candle made with essential oils. It says thankful on it. I hope that you guys try it out. I hope you love it and enjoy the long-lasting fragrance. Thanks for watching, everybody.